How to find your unique sound and stay inspired, Part 2. Welcome back, Spacey Academy community. In Part 1, we discussed embracing influences, experimenting, and reflecting on your identity. If you haven't seen it already, jump over and check it out. Now let's proceed with more tips. Create consistently. Developing your unique voice takes time and practice. Make a habit of creating music regularly. The more you produce, the more you will understand your preferences and strengths. Seek feedback. Share your music with trusted friends, mentors, and communities. Constructive feedback provides valuable insights. Use it as a tool for growth, but always stay true to your vision. Analyze and iterate. After creating a few tracks, step back and analyze them. Identify consistent elements and refine them to develop your signature sound. Stay tuned for Part 3, which will dive deeper into staying inspired and trusting the creative process. If you find this video valuable, give it a like, share it with a friend, and follow the channel for more tips. Up until then, stay creative and keep it spacey.